Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday. Well, today we're going to start something that I've never done, that I've done a cross stitch on. We are going to start this 9 count and we're going to be starting up here in this area. The color that I'm using is number 160. And it's kind of a bluish gray, if you will. Well, I guess it's more gray than blue. I don't know. It's kind of got a purple tinge to it, you know, depending on the light. So I don't know how it's showing up on the camera there. Yeah, it was a wrestling match to get this where I needed it to be, especially on this crowded desk. Oh, my goodness. I am telling you. And another little note, if you're ever going to do a 19 count, I am using 4 strands. So if you take the full strand of 6 and you cut it in half, you take 2 off of each of the 2 threads off of each, you will end up with 3 sets of 4. Isn't that amazing how that works? Because 3 times 4 is 12. Amazing. I'm telling you, it was math skills and wrestling matches today. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad it's Wednesday. You just have no idea. Yeah. We're having fun now. And today's the order day. Oh, it just ought to be special. Last night when I got home, I was just done in. I stitched a little bit on Colorful Town yesterday, and that was all that I stitched with yesterday. I couldn't even hardly see the, what do you call it, the symbol. So I was like, okay, before we mess this up, I was working, I don't think it was 550 purple, but yeah, I tried. And then by the time I got home, there was just no way anything was happening. It was just busy, then slow, busy, then slow, busy, then slow. All day. The whole time I was there. It was special. Just absolutely special. And I look forward to a special day today. Yep, I'm telling you. Fun times. Oh, goodness. Goodness gracious. So, we'll have part 2 tomorrow of my unboxing from, or unbagging, I should say, from AliExpress. I hope you're enjoying these. And I still have 2 more to show up. So we'll do that on a separate day. So we'll probably have some reviews this weekend. I'm supposed to go to lunch tomorrow with my daughter. We're just going to go get little pizzas and then run to the thrift stores. Just kind of not take things too seriously. But I really wanted to see how this was going to stitch up. Like I said in my review, the only time I've ever used 9 count canvas was for those beaded cross stitch that, oh, I got one just recently, so it's on a 9 count as well. But I was doing beaded cross stitch, not regular cross stitch, like filling things in, so it was a little bit different, so I never really noticed what it looks like, you know, because beads are covering up the so-called canvas. So I got another beaded cross stitch coming, and I can't remember what store it's from. I know it's not AliExpress, but yeah. I think this will be the last I'll order this month from AliExpress. Maybe next month I might order some others. So we'll see. We will see. Whoops. Holy cow, how could you miss that? And it threaded just fine through those regular needles that I use all the time, you know, that come in kits. So 4 was not too much far of a stretch from 3, and I really didn't expect it to be. Put that needle away. But yeah, it's gonna look different, you know. It's just huge. And I crunched the material down, I'm sure, after I work with it, you know, and put in 3 or 4 other colors or whatever. It'll crunch down. It's not that super stiff, smooth stuff that I got from, I think it was the Spring Company, where it was just so bad, it just acted like it had starch in it. I could not get that stuff to crunch down or soften up. I'm sure after a while it might, but I've gotten a couple kits like that. I think that one with that vase and the grapes and is like that as well. It just takes a hot moment to get used to using it, you know. See, it looks almost purple after a while. You know, when you get out of there. I don't need no help, but very easy to see the symbols on this. So I'm not complaining. So I might order something else in a 9 count, you know, at another time. So we'll have to see. But if you had, you know, your eyesight wasn't really good, this would be really good for somebody like that, because the squares are huge compared to, I've been working on 14 count. It's like, wow, this is way too much for my eyes. I kind of adjusted to the 14 count. Even working on 11 count, I have to work with it for a hot moment. But, you know, your eyes adjust. But, yeah, I think that this is going to be just fine. And hopefully it'll go, you know. I wouldn't say terribly fast. None of it goes terribly fast, but that's beside the point, right? The whole point is the stitching experience, at least for me, and the starting experience. But I just, out of curiosity, they had, excuse me, at AliExpress, they have some that are like 150, the big, huge ones. Huge, ginormous, almost 200 centimeters. I'm like, holy cow. That would be a hot moment. Wouldn't that be something to stitch? My goodness gracious. I'm going to have to get a bag for this. Just because, yeah, it's got a fair amount of thread to it. I really want to start the other one too, but I wanted to find this out first. So we'll see. Maybe next week we can start the other one. So we'll see. But it just takes you no time at all, you know, to get very far. It looks huge compared to 14 count. I've been working on that colorful town, and it's different. Oh, I like it. I love that kit. I really do. Almost as much as Riverside Night Moon. I forgot where it was at. That's the thing that said what color it was. I covered the top part, and then I'm like, well, what symbol is that? Oh my gosh. It's like dunking Oreos in milk. What's that black stuff in your milk? I used to do that to my mother all the time. I'm not drinking the rest of that. What's that black stuff? Yeah, I'm that kid. Oh my goodness. Probably drove my mother insane. I guess we'll just keep coming this way. Well, shoot. Maybe not. Let's finish that part up. And it's going to go through the thread a lot faster than an 11 count. Certainly 10 times faster than the 14 count. So what's everybody working on? Are you working on something fun? You should be doing something fun. Something that brings you joy. A joy to stitch on, and, you know, there's not too many hitches and get-alongs, and, you know, because there's those out there. We've had those kids. So I've been kind of sticking to that colorful town. I like it. I like the way it goes. And, you know, making progress, you know, slow but sure. It'll take me forever to get through that thing, though. I don't care if I stitch on it every day or not. Oh, sure. Let's have 2 left over. Okay. We got this. It'll be fine. It was hot yesterday. Clouded up, of course, you know, as usual, about 2:30, 3 o'clock. And didn't do a thing. If it rained, I missed it. Just totally missed it. And we'll come back for them. Seems like there's a lot of thread in this. So we'll have to see. It's got 54 colors in it. I couldn't believe that. Just seems like a whole lot. To me, at least. But I'm glad it'll be, you know, shaded well. Can you see? I don't know how else to explain it. So this might be a nice winter project to do. This is certainly going to be totally heavy. But it'll be nice and easy. Because you have no problem seeing those symbols. Just can't get over how clear and well printed the canvas is. So that's a good thing. So yeah, and I don't know who the company is that makes these. I have no idea. I don't know who JYG is. You know, if that's like a code for the company name or anything like that, because I've never had any of these. And I don't know if the stores I do the reviews for have 14 counts or not. So that'll be interesting to see. They've got everything else. So. I guess we'll go this way. Yeah, I'm going to have to thread a separate needle for those two. Can't believe I got all that way. And I went too far this way before I turned back. So. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. No biggie. But it's certainly easy material to stitch on. So I'm happy. Yeah. Might have actually enough left over here to go over there and get those two. I hate leaving 2 stitches behind. It's like, not happening. I usually try to take care of them so that I don't have to worry about it way later, you know. Like, dang it, there's only 2 there. It's like diamonds on a diamond painting, you know. That always irritated the heck out of me. I'd get done with one color, go get my other color, get it all set up, and then I look over there and there's like 3 squares of the color I just had. Yeah. Although it's a little harder to get the thread out than it is to get diamonds out. I could just go pluck them out, but still irritating just the same. All right. Got it. And we have a little bit left over. There's some more right down in there, but we're not going to make it there today. Get that through there. All right. See if I can get it to lay down. This mat this weekend, I'm buying a new mat and throwing this stuff out. It just drives me crazy. All right, I'm trying to get where I need to be and lay everybody down. See, it's still a little bit stiff, but see, it worked just fine. I'm going to bring you in as far as I can, but it laid down really nice. Very nicely done. Oh, I got a little fuzzy there, but we'll get it. I think I need my sharp scissors. But yeah, I'm really pleased. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining me today on this new adventure of ours. We'll see how far I can get on this one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.